Welcome to my channel. So in the last tutorial we have covered about operators, precedence and associativity, and in the same video I talked about unary operator and addition and subtraction. So in this video we will cover what is the difference between these two types of operator. Okay, so unary operator in Python is basically operate on a single operand. Okay, so these operator perform operations on only one value. For example, we have plus, we have minus, and we have not. Okay, and addition and subtraction operators, they work on two operands and they perform basically arithmetic operation, and these are binary operators. Okay, let me show you some example of this. So let's say we have a equal to 10. Okay, so now there is plus unary operator and there is minus unary operator, right? So if you see, these works on only one operand, plus a and hyphen a. It basically used to change the value. So if we write plus a, so there won't be any change, no change in the value. But if we write minus a, it negate the values basically, right? Okay, so basically it will change the value. On the other hand, the subtraction and addition, they worked on multiple operand. Let's say we have 2 and we have something a plus b and we have a minus b. So if you see, now plus and subtraction are working on two operands. Operands are a and b, but in case of unary, they worked on only one operand, which is a and b. Okay, so basically it's very simple, and this is the only main difference between unary and arithmetic. So in the interview they might ask what is the difference between these two operators. Both look same only, right? Here also we have plus, here also we have plus. Okay, and unary operator basically negate the values or retain the same values. Okay, but these operators perform the arithmetic operation, right? So this is the basic difference between this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and comment if you need any further explanation on this. Thank you.